Hello everyone, this is Dhaval Patel. Welcome to our channel. I hope you have been enjoying videos from our channel. It's very informative video and it's all about technology, and our videos make sure that your life becomes easier. Please subscribe to our channel, as these are the content that is we put a lot of efforts to create this video, and we hope that it adds value whenever you are watching this video. So today I'm going to show you the apartment management system. Some people call it neighborhood management system, some people call it housing association management system, flat management system, society housing society management system. It all refers to the same thing. At the end of the day, it manages your residential area that you live in community. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's look at the apartment system. After login, this is how it will look like. The apartment system. You will see the dashboard, and this dashboard shows most of the details about the housing society, about members, gatekeepers, how many staff members are there, accountant, complaints, and you have all the details of different user roles over here. I mean, these are the different user roles. Then you see the invoices. These are monthly maintenance invoices, and then you see the calendar of any events that is happening, housing societies, income and expense report. This is very important because all the complaints about the issues that members faces within the society can be logged here. Or the services, facilities that we have in the housing society, like you have a gym or something like that, that can be. You have also gatekeeper or security that can be shown here. Then you have the messages and notices. Now let's look at the general settings. This is how you set your whole system. So in apartment name, you will see your housing society's name that you can define whether it's residential or commercial property. What's the address, and if there has a logo, you can also do customized logo over here. If you're doing accepting payment online for the maintenance or something like that, you can do enable PayPal settings. This is also available in different currencies and languages, so you can set your own currency. If your building unit is measured in square feet, square meter, those kind of settings you can do over here. And the enable charges feature is useful when you are actually accepting any payment as part of your monthly maintenance. This is how you completely customize as per your society's branding, and make sure that you have a proper size logo that's been uploaded over here in general settings, because this will come up everywhere. Now the email templates is very important, because whenever a new member is registered, it invites it sends email for invitation. You add any charges, or you add any facilities that has been booked. Those are the templates can be customized from here. Now let's look at the access right. So the system has different user roles, like normal housing members, staff members, and accountant. Then these are the modules that can be restrict the access as per the user role, right? I mean, staff member might have just access to something, accountant might have just access to accounts module. So these you can manage from here. Gatekeeper might have access to just a security system. Now let's look at the residential units or commercial units, depending on what you have selected in general settings. So you can add a new unit, like you might have 100 units, then you can add those units over here easily. Just unit name and just keep sizing and everything. Some units have different sizes. The units are mostly referring to the housing units basically. So each unit might have different owners or renters. So this can capture all those details. This can capture whether it's renters or owners, and within owner, family members can be added as well. And this is the list of members that's been added. And you can also add a new member. So once you have added the residential unit, you can associate a member with that residential unit. Personal details or every other details can be added, and you can see the members detail on a particular unit. And this is one place where you see everything: invoice, complaint, documents, facility that's been booked or notice that's been given, or any events that's happening, messages. And you can also edit this member. So this is very easy way to manage members, and you see all the details in one place. Now let's look at the staff members, because these are the people who manages the property day to day. So these people can be given different access levels, and they can actually manage properties in it. So it provides different user roles, and that can be used. Some people might not need accountant. The gatekeeper is very useful because you want to make sure that the gatekeeper has the parking level access, and who goes into the society and who doesn't go into the society, kind of. The committee member is useful where you have president or different level structure, secretary or something like that, and they have authority or something. The document is useful where you want to show common documents to all the members, like property plans and all those things. Complaints is very useful module because you want member to raise their complaint if there is anything like that, suggestions or any requests they can create, and as a owner, housing association owner, you get those details. And there are also parking slots that can be added over here, and you can manage parkings for different members. There might be 2 or 3 parkings for each unit. You can assign a slot to a member, parking slot to member, and it has all the details. I mean, you can also give the numbering to the parking slots. Then there are gates. I mean, some housing society, big housing society, has number of gates. Sometimes it's in and out gate, entry, exit gate. Those can be used. You can also define the numbers, I mean, gate titles and all those things. And you can also put up the visitor request over here. I mean, so this is something that the gatekeeper do. I mean, they can collect all these details and make sure that only the visitors that's been approved are getting access to the housing society. It collects all the visitor details. Sometimes you have more than one visitor, so that can be also done over here. And sometimes you also have the maintenance staff that can also check into the system. So this is a module for that, staff check-in and check out. So you can also see, I mean, who actually provided the services and all those things. So notices is useful when you have some sort of general notices, like in terms of maintenance, or you want to notify electricity is out or something like that. Event is useful when you have some celebration within the housing society, and you can actually define over here, give all the instructions so every member can enjoy the event. The message is useful when you do internal messaging, so within members or service sectors. Okay. So these are the services that we have. I mean, you can also have health facility, a gym, or you have a banquet, swimming pool. Those are the facilities that can be added, and it can be booked. You can also collect the payment for it, because every facility might be having a 1 hour rate or daily rate or something like that. You can book those facility under a particular member. You can raise the invoices as well. So that's where the accounts module is useful. Within accounts module, you can also define the taxes, like you have VAT or GST or some other taxes that you can define. You can also add those taxes easily in the invoice. You can create invoice manually. Just you can also define whether it's one-time invoice, whether it's monthly, quarterly or yearly. The monthly, quarterly, and yearly useful when you have maintenance charges going on. Maybe it's a water charge, maybe it's a cleaning charge, something like that. So those charges, different charges, can be easily added in the system. So invoice, always you can print it out. You can view, you can search and filter. So this is how the invoice look like. This is a very professional way of looking at the invoice. You can print it through the printer, and then you have charges, like maybe it's monthly charges, or maybe it's yearly charges, water charges, electricity charges, cleaning charges. Those can be defined easily over here. You might have some expenses. So this model shows you what are the expenses. Maybe it's a staff expense, maybe it's material that's been. You can add those over here. Assets is very useful because in gym you might have some gym instruments. So these are the module. This module, assets and inventory, can manage those things where you have tables, chairs, lights, and sometimes it might be costly instruments that you want to record. And this is how the report works out. So you can see what member occupancy in building. You might have the complaint reports that you want to see. Maybe you want to see income and expense report. Those kind of reports can be easy. So there are graphs, and then there are lists as well. So you can easily, for management, the charts is useful. And if you want to get detailed report, you just select the date range, and then you generate the report. The complaint is useful, that if overall effectiveness of the society, whether the complaints are how many complaints were open, how many were closed, how many are still open. those are the things that can be used for. So this is how overall the apartment management system or neighborhood management or housing assessment management system look like. If you use this system, then you can have worry-free management of the your housing society, and you can increase the member satisfaction or make everyone's life easier. So I do recommend try this out. It has the free demo. Check out the link in the description, and please do not forget to subscribe us. Do subscribe us to our channel to see these kind of videos. The technology is everywhere, and these are the solutions that makes our life easier. Thank you.